could be taking control, yeah.
So hey guys, it's me and I'm back with another video. OnePlus 8T reportedly launches in October with the 120Hz OLED display and a Snapdragon 865 processor. So guys, it's me Hans and let's start the video. Or the rumors that Android Central has given you that the OnePlus 8T may launch in the October. What you do? Just tell me in the comment. Android Central lists the OnePlus 8T with a 120Hz OLED panel and 8GB of RAM and 120GB of the storage. The site says the back will have 4 cameras, a 48 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel wide angle and a 5 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Why the OnePlus is gonna to give you a depth sensor or the macro sensor? They can also give a telephoto sensor, but no. These are supposed to be the OnePlus 8T specs, but they also all describe the existing OnePlus 8 Pro. The only real differences in the new model are the screen size, which at 6.55 inches is a bit smaller than the 6.78 inches that OnePlus 8T Pro is providing you. The slightly upgraded Snapdragon 865 SoC and a better 48 megapixel sensor than the cheaper OnePlus 8, which had a worse sensor than the OnePlus 8 Pro. What you say? The front design looks pretty much identical to the OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus included a OnePlus 8T image in the company's latest release of Android 11 beta, and it looks just like the OnePlus 8 Pro with thin bezels and a single hole punch camera in the top left. But other options would have OnePlus a dual camera setup in the OnePlus Nord or a fancy new under display camera. I don't know what OnePlus is gonna to do with the OnePlus 8T Pro or the OnePlus 8T. So it's all for today guys. If you like the video, so do hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates from my channel. And see you all in the next video.